Hey everyone, how is it going? Welcome to Beast Eggs TV Food. Thanks for stopping by. Today, we're about to dive into one of the most beloved dishes across the globe, chicken curry. But this isn't just any chicken curry. We're cooking up a rich, aromatic, and absolutely mouth-watering version that you can easily recreate in your own kitchen. Packed with bold flavors, vibrant colors, and creamy goodness, this recipe is guaranteed to impress your taste buds and keep you coming back for more. So, without further ado, let's jump into our chicken curry recipe. Make sure to stay till the end because you don't want to miss our secret tips for making this the most irresistible curry you've ever tasted. To make our delicious chicken curry, you'll need these ingredients: chicken, curry powder, onions, garlic, bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. This adds depth and a touch of umami, ginger, coconut milk for that creamy, rich texture, ground pepper, carrots, sliced potatoes, and 1 chicken cube. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, toss in your minced garlic. Stir it around and let that incredible aroma fill your kitchen. The garlic is the first layer of flavor and provides that deep, savory base that makes curry so comforting. Stir until the garlic becomes fragrant and golden, but be careful not to let it burn. We want a rich flavor, not bitterness. Next, add in your sliced ginger. Ginger is one of the key ingredients in many Asian dishes because it adds warmth and a little zing to the recipe. Stir it around with the garlic to release those fragrant oils and deepen the flavor. Not only does ginger enhance the taste, but it's also fantastic for digestion and boosting your metabolism. Cook the ginger until it softens slightly and melds beautifully with the garlic. Now it's time to add the chopped onions to our fragrant base. Onions are crucial in building the depth and sweetness of our curry. Stir them in and let them cook slowly, allowing their natural sugars to caramelize. This process takes a bit of patience, but it's worth it. We're aiming for soft, translucent onions with a hint of golden edges. Now it's time to add the star of the dish, the chicken. We're using skinless chicken pieces today, but you can use any cut you like. Whether it's boneless chicken thighs or any other part, they all work beautifully in this curry. Add the chicken directly into the pan and watch it sizzle as it meets the fragrant sautéed ginger, garlic, and onions. The chicken will soak up all those wonderful flavors. Once the chicken is in the pan, give it a good stir to coat each piece with the mixture. You want to make sure that the garlic, ginger, and onions are evenly distributed. At this stage, we'll also season the chicken with ground pepper for that little extra kick. Ground pepper isn't just about heat, it also enhances the depth of flavor, adding a subtle layer of warmth to the curry. Next, we're going to add a splash of fish sauce. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, fish sauce in a chicken dish? Trust me, it's a game changer. Fish sauce is a secret weapon in many Southeast Asian cuisines. It adds a savory, umami richness that elevates the entire dish. You won't taste it as fishy at all. Instead, it deepens the overall flavor profile and adds complexity. Let the chicken cook thoroughly on medium heat. You'll want to stir occasionally to ensure it cooks evenly and absorbs all the flavors from the pan. As it cooks, you'll notice the chicken becoming more tender and golden. The aromas at this point are absolutely mouth-watering. That's when you know you're on the right track. Remember, patience is key. Let the chicken cook slowly so it remains juicy and tender while soaking up all those rich flavors. This part of the process is where the magic starts happening. The chicken is now fully infused with the base flavors of garlic, ginger, and onions, along with the pepper and fish sauce. You'll want to cook it until it's no longer pink and has a slightly caramelized outer layer. The dish we're making today draws inspiration Southeast Asian flavors. The use of fish sauce adds that umami depth, while the coconut milk gives it a creamy twist, creating a dish that's both hearty and packed with layers of flavor. Look at that. Our recipe is already starting to take shape as we infuse more flavors and aromas into our dish. It smells really good. Once your chicken is cooked through, it's time to add some hearty vegetables. Carrots and potatoes are classic additions to chicken curry, providing sweetness and bulk to balance out the spiciness. Add the diced carrots and potatoes to the pan, stirring them in gently so that they're coated in the flavorful oil and spices. Next up is the curry powder, the heart of this dish. The curry powder you use can make or break your dish, so choose one with a rich, balanced blend of spices. This is where the dish truly takes on its identity as a curry. Sprinkle the curry powder generously over the chicken and vegetables. The moment it hits the pan, you'll smell that unmistakable fragrance, earthy, warm, and slightly sweet. To balance out the spices, we're going to add coconut milk. Coconut milk adds a luscious creaminess to the dish while toning down the heat from the curry powder. Pour in the coconut milk and watch as it transforms the dish, turning everything into a beautifully rich and creamy sauce. Give everything a good stir, making sure the chicken and vegetables are well coated and submerged in the sauce. At this stage, you'll want to lower the heat slightly and let the curry simmer. This is where all the flavors meld together. The sweetness from the coconut milk, the heat from the spices, and the richness of the chicken. The longer you let the curry simmer, the more the flavors develop. So don't rush this part. Let it gently bubble away for about 10 to 15 minutes. As your curry simmers, you might notice the sauce thickening. Depending on how you like your curry, thick or slightly runny, you can adjust the consistency by adding water. Start by adding about a glass of water if needed and stir it in. The water will help thin out the sauce while allowing the potatoes and carrots to cook through without drying out. Keep an eye on the texture. You want it to be velvety smooth. The extra water also gives the curry a chance to develop even more flavor as it continues to simmer. This step is crucial if you prefer a curry that's perfect for ladling over rice. As the curry cooks, the potatoes and carrots will soften, soaking up the rich sauce while releasing their natural sweetness. This process not only adds layers of flavor, but also makes the vegetables tender and melt in your mouth delicious. You can always taste the curry as it cooks and adjust the seasoning with a bit more salt or curry powder if needed. This way, you get the perfect balance of flavor to suit your taste. We're almost at the finish line. The final vegetable we're adding is bell peppers. The bell pepper make the curry not only taste better, but look more vibrant and appealing too. Add the sliced bell peppers and chicken cube and stir it. Because bell peppers cook quickly, you don't want to overdo it. Just a few minutes of simmering is enough. This keeps them slightly crunchy, adding a nice texture contrast to the dish. The bell peppers also add a hint of freshness that balances out the richness of the coconut milk. If you like a bit of heat, you can toss in a few slices of red chili at this stage for that extra kick. Now, give the curry one last stir and let everything cook together for about 3 to 5 minutes. By this point, the flavors have fully developed, the chicken is tender, and the vegetables are perfectly cooked. And there you have it, a rich, aromatic chicken curry that's absolutely bursting with flavor. Our curry is officially ready to be served. The aroma is out of this world, warm, inviting, and full of depth. You've got that creamy coconut sauce with hints of spice, tender pieces of chicken, and vegetables cooked to perfection. It's a dish that's not only comforting, but also looks stunning with its vibrant colors. This is hands down one of the best chicken curries you'll ever taste. What makes this dish so special is how simple it is to prepare, yet it delivers such a complex and satisfying flavor. Whether you're cooking for family or friends, this chicken curry is sure to impress. Curry dishes like this have a rich history in many Asian cultures, and each region has its own unique spin on it. The coconut milk version we've made today is popular in Southeast Asia, where the blend of spices and creamy base is a staple in home cooking. And there you have it, an easy, delicious chicken curry made from scratch. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today and that you're inspired to try making this dish at home. It's recipes like these that bring people together around the dinner table, sharing the warmth and comfort of home-cooked meals. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to Bisteg's TV Food for more mouth-watering recipes. Whether you're new to the kitchen or a seasoned pro, our goal is to inspire you with recipes that are both easy and satisfying. So stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for joining me today on Bisteg's TV Food. Until next time, happy cooking.